In today's video, I am going to teach you how to uninstall Google Chrome on Windows 10 quick and simple, vertical bar, delete Google Chrome completely. To begin, go down to the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen and click it. From there, click on the search bar and type in Control Panel. As soon as it appears in the search results, click on it to open it. Once Control Panel is open, look for the option that says Uninstall a Program. Click that option and give it a moment to load the full list. Now you will see a list of installed programs. Scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. In some cases, the list may be arranged alphabetically, which can make Chrome easier to locate. Once you find Google Chrome, double-click on it to begin the uninstall process. After you double-click, Windows will launch the Chrome uninstaller. At this point, you may see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Choose Yes, so the uninstall can continue. Then follow the on-screen prompt to remove Google Chrome from your system. If Chrome is still open, Windows may ask you to close it before the removal can finish properly. That covers everything you need to know.